QR codes are an essential tool for every brand as they give a digital dimension to your product and services. Let's learn more together.
Do you need ideas to maximize the limited space on your packaging? Check out how to use QR codes on medicine packaging. With QR codes, you can deliver more value and supercharge the customer experience. Number 1. Medicine expiration. To bring awareness to your buyers, show necessary information like ingredients and medicine expiration. Number 2. Video instruction and manual. Brochures and manuals are not appealing. With QR codes, you can lead buyers to video content that shows correct product usage, benefits, and advantages. Number 3. Customer survey and review. Improve your product by asking for reviews. Understand your buyers better with surveys. Number 4. Feedback and concerns. Encourage customers to ask questions. Lead your scanners to customer forms so they can send their concerns. Number 5. Combat fake drugs and verify product authenticity. Each of your product can have a unique digital identity. Even if you have millions of items, you can create QR code in bulk and save time and effort. QR codes on packaging are the future. Create a digital dimension to your product packaging today. Final tip. To save time and money, remember to use dynamic QR codes. Even when your QR codes are already printed, you can still edit your QR code anytime. You can also track the data behind your QR codes, such as time of scan, device type, and location. How to create a dynamic QR code. Step 1. Go to www.qrcode-tiger.com. Enter your data on the fields. Select the type of QR code you want to create. Choose Dynamic QR Code, and then click on Generate QR Code. Step 2. Customize your QR code. Choose Patterns. Choose Eyes. Add Logo. Set Colors. Choose a frame. Click on the green download button. And you're done. You will be redirected to the track data page. Once done, make sure to use the SVG format for print quality. Now go share your QR code to the world. Cheers!
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you next time to learn more how to apply QR codes successfully.